Hello everyone, this is Akansha Bajpai from Divine Public School, class teacher of class 2. Today we are going to learn English. And the name of your book is Prime English Class 2. Today we are going to do the exercises of chapter 5, The Elvis and the Shoemaker. I have already explained you this chapter in our previous video. Now we'll start the exercises. You have to take out page number 44 and we'll do exercise number 1. Here you have to number these events in the order in which they happened in the story. First of all, you see, when the clock struck 12, two tiny Elvis climbed in through the window. B. The shoemaker's wife stitched two new sets of clothes and boots for the Elvis. C. The shoemaker felt tired. D. The Elvis were delighted to see the new clothes. E. He went to the market and bought leather of different colors. F. The next morning the shoemaker woke up and went to his workbench. Now we have to number it according to the order in the story. So first one, you see, C. The shoemaker felt tired. In front of that you have to write 1. So C is 1. Now F. The next morning the shoemaker woke up and went to his workbench. That is 2. So you have to write in front of F 2. Now he went to the market and bought leather of different colors. So here you have to write 3. So in front of E you have to write 3. Now when the clock struck 12, two tiny Elvis climbed in through the window. So there you have to write 4. So in front of A you have to write 4. Now next, B. The shoemaker's wife stitched two new sets of clothes and boots for the Elvis. So in front of B you have to write 5. Next, D. The Elvis were delighted to see the new clothes. In front of D you have to write 6. So like this you will finish this exercise. And now we come to the next page, page number 46. Here we will do first exercise. Read these sentences, underline the plural nouns treated as singular. Here you have to underline the plural nouns that are treated here in the sentence as a singular. A. Rita doesn't wear this pair of shorts because it doesn't fit her anymore. So you have to underline shorts. B. We need a pair of dice and some counters to play this game. Here you have to underline dice. C. Rohan got a new pair of trousers and a pair of socks. Here you have to underline trousers and socks. D. My mother always wears a pair of golden earrings. So here you have to underline earrings. So like this you finish this exercise and come back to the next page, page number 47. Here you'll see exercise 2. Complete these sentences using a pair of, then you have to write the answer here. A. Sunglasses can be used to protect one's eyes from the sun. So you know, a pair of sunglasses can be used to protect one's eyes from the sun. B. Spectacles is used by some people for reading. So spectacles is used by some people to read anything or do the reading. Now C. Socks is worn on the feet. So answer is socks is worn on the feet. D. Telescope is used to look at the things which are far away. So answer is telescope. So like this you finish this exercise also. And now come to the next page, page number 47. Here you will do circle the correct option to complete these sentences. So here you have to, what is or are the carpenter doing at home? Here you will write what are. Answer is are. What are the carpenters doing at your house? Mother bought 2 pair of jeans because they were very good. So correct answer is were. Are you carrying an umbrella? So answer is are. D. If you were given a chance to meet a sports person, who would you like to meet? So correct answer is were. I am reading a book. Correct answer is am. So like this we finish the exercises of this chapter. So you have to prepare and learn it well. Thank you.